AI is only for big companies? Here's why that's wrong. Hi there, I'm Amanda Bennett and I'm from AIbusinessstrategist.org. Have you ever thought AI sounds great, but it's only for big companies like Amazon or Google? If so, you're not alone. A lot of small business owners think AI is too expensive, too complicated, or just not meant for them. But here's the truth. AI is not just for big companies. In fact, small businesses can use AI to grow faster, save time, and make more money without hiring extra staff or spending a fortune. So today we're going to talk about why AI is for every business, even small ones. And I'll show you exactly how small businesses are using AI every day to work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. So let's look at the first myth. AI is too expensive for small businesses. A lot of people believe this. They believe AI costs too much money. And yes, big companies might spend millions, billions, building their own AI system. But guess what? You don't have to build your own AI. There are tons of affordable, ready-to-use AI tools that small business can start using right now. Some even for free. AI chatbots like Tidio or Drift, these answer customer questions automatically 24/7, so you don't have to. Then there's AI-powered ads like Facebook lookalike audiences. The AI helps your ads reach the right people without wasting money. And then you've got AI email automation like Klaviyo. AI sends personalized emails to customers, helping you make more sales. These tools cost way less than hiring extra staff, and they actually save you money in the long run. So let's look at myth number 2. AI is too complicated for small businesses. This is another big myth that AI is too hard to use. People think you need to be a tech expert to make it work. But the truth? Most AI tools today are built to be super easy to use. You don't need to be a programmer or have a degree in AI. Many AI platforms work with just a few clicks, kind of like setting up an app or a phone, or app on your phone. AI social media scheduling like Buffer or Hootsuite is a good one to use. The AI can schedule posts automatically at the best time for engagement. Then you've got AI customer support like ChatGPT for business. AI can write quick responses to common customer questions. And then you've got AI accounting like QuickBooks AI. AI can track expenses and even predict cash flows. Cash flow's king. If you can use a phone, send an email, or shop online, you can use AI for your business. It really is that simple. Myth number 3. AI will replace small business owners. This is a big fear. What if AI takes over and small businesses don't need people anymore? Well, here's the good news. AI doesn't replace people. It helps people. Think of AI like a smart assistant. It handles the boring, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on the important stuff, like talking to customers, building relationships, and growing your business. So, here's some points on that. AI can answer emails, but it can't replace great customer service. AI can help with marketing, but it can't build strong customer loyalty like you can. And AI can analyze sales trends, but it can't create a brand that people love. AI, it's just a tool. It's there to help you, not replace you or your staff. Let's look at some real-life small businesses using AI right now. If you're still not sure if AI is really for small business, let me share some real-life examples of small businesses using AI successfully. First, a local bakery. They used AI-powered social media ads to reach more local customers. AI also helped them predict which pastries sell best on certain days, so they could bake the right amount and reduce waste. Results, more sales, less waste, and happier customers. A small online clothing store. They set up a chatbot to answer common questions 24/7. AI emails remind shoppers about items left in their cart, bringing them back to buy. The result was 30% increase in sales without hiring any extra staff, and it reduced down the hours they were working to. And the third, a one-person marketing business. Many solo entrepreneurs out there, and these tools are game-changing for you. AI tools help schedule social media posts, write emails, and even create ad copy. Instead of spending hours on marketing, they use the AI and focused on their clients. Results, more clients, more revenue, and way less stress. Final thoughts. AI is here for you. So what is the really big takeaway? First of all, AI is not just for big companies, small businesses can use it too. AI tools are affordable. Many are even free or low cost. AI is easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert at all. And AI won't replace small businesses. It helps them grow faster and smarter. If you're a small business owner, AI can help you save time, get more customers, and increase your sales without hiring a huge team or working extra hours. So, what's one area of your business where AI could help? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in getting an AI strategy, get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.